What's up guys, 8K with DCC Train. In this video I'm going to test new Atlas double-decker Metra passenger car with LEDs, and they put some anti-flicker thing. It's new to me, so it's preventing flickering. Now I'm going to run it through powered frog, but it's only that rail is powered right now, so the flange outside will be probably touching it. We'll see. The bottom of this is plastic. Watch till the end, you will see F40, very unique unit. Here we go. I'm using ESU mobile control too. Here we go, this one. So I have 3 cars, and so far no issues. But if it loses the power, it will be kind of slowly just dim. It won't hold a lot. See some smooth ride. That's California unit. Very cool. It's kind of baggage. Doesn't have the motor. Okay, let's go the other way. A little bit faster. There you go. Yeah, no problem at all. But I'll show you just using my hand. To move the car, and how it's not flickering, just like when it's losing the power, kind of dimming. Here we go. So stop right there. See? So it's good so far. If you got those cars and you have like club layout or big layout, you're not cleaning it periodically, tell me please how they working on your guys' layout. Thanks for watching, supporting business, and have a good one. Bye bye.